Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us learn Michael-Addison reaction and the mechanism of Michael-Addison reaction. This is an addition reaction between an alpha-beta unsaturated keto compound and a compound with an active methylene group in the presence of a base. Here, alpha-beta unsaturated keto compound is called as an acceptor and a compound containing active methylene group is called as an addendum. Both undergoes addition reaction in presence of a base and gives an addition product. There are three components in Michael-Addison reaction. One is an acceptor, second one is an addenda, and third one is a base. Let us see some examples or which compounds can be an acceptor, addenda, and a base. All the alpha beta unsaturated compounds having a carbonyl or nitrile group in conjugation with a double bond can be an acceptor of this Michael-Addison reaction. For example, ketones, esters, nitriles, and aldehydes. Compounds containing active methylene group can act as an addenda of this reaction. This active methylene group containing compound can ionize to a proton and carbanion during the reaction. For example, malonic ester, acetoacetic ester, cyanoacetic ester, and phenylacetic esters, aliphatic nitro compounds, benzyl cyanide, cyclopentadiene, indene, fluorine, sulfones. In general, basic catalysts are used in Michael-Addison reaction. The most vigorous basic catalysts are aqueous and alcoholic caustic alkalis and alkali alkoxides. For example, sodium ethoxide and potassium tertiary butoxide can be a catalyst for this reaction. But not only a basic catalysts, acid catalysts like aluminum chloride, boron trifluoride, sulfuric acid can also bring about Michael-Addison reaction. Next, coming to the mechanism of Michael-Addison reaction. In step 1, compounds containing active methylene group attacked by a base. Subsequently, the alpha hydrogen of the carbonyl compound is deprotonated by the base. Here, diethyl malonate consists of an active methylene group. Base ethoxide ion deprotonates diethyl malonate and produces a negatively charged carbanion along with ethanol. In step 2, the carbanion which is produced in step 1 adds on beta carbon atom of alpha beta unsaturated compound, that is an acceptor. The carbanion adds on the beta carbon atom of an acceptor and gives the product for the step 2. At the end, the product which is formed in step 2 takes up a proton from alcohol and gives an enol compound. Here you can note down the proton is taken up by the product from the alcohol. That is the alcohol which is produced in step 1 along with the carbanion. From that alcohol, the proton is taken up by the product and the ethoxide ion, the base, is regenerated in this step. Then finally, this enol compound tautomerizes to the keto form and gives the final addition product. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share.